Welcome, my amazing subscribers and newcomers alike. Today I've got something truly special for you. It's another journey into the world of air frying, and this time we'll master the art of roasting groundnuts to perfection. Groundnuts are also called peanuts. Kindly watch this video to the end because there's a twist in this art that will save you a lot of time and stress. First and foremost, a heartfelt thank you for making our family of healthy eating enthusiasts grow to an incredible 1,000 subscribers. Your likes, shares, questions, comments, and precious time spent watching my content mean a lot to me. Your support fuels my creativity, and I can't express my gratitude enough. God bless you all. Let's dive right in. Grab your groundnuts, the quantity you prefer. I've measured out 2 cups of our air frying escapade today. Now, pour the groundnuts into the air fryer. But here is what to take note. We're going to use the shrimp function, which is 160 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Yes, it's a 2-round affair, but you can also set your timer to a single round of 24 minutes. After the first 12 minutes, sneak a peek. This is after the first round and it's not done yet, so dive back in for the final 12. What's next, you ask? Well, here is where the good hack happens. Once your peanuts have roasted, they're going to be very hot. But don't worry, I've got a tip up my sleeve. You can either use a small towel to protect your precious palms from the heat as you rub them together, or let them cool a bit before taking matters into your own hands. Because we're going to deskin those nuts. At some other time, I simply use the bake function, which is 185 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, and it usually comes out nice. So feel free to play around with the functions or settings of your air fryer to know which one works best for you. But wait, the air fryer has another tip to review. Close the air fryer bucket back and let it perform. This time you can set the time to about 3 to 5 minutes, and it will blow off the peels or the skins of the groundnuts, leaving the residues underneath the bucket. This is how it works. We call it an air fryer. So, there's an inbuilt fan that blows the heat generated and helps air to circulate and get heat evenly distributed in your equipment or gadgets. So what we are going to do here is to allow the same air blow off the peels, which we are going to call the shaft, to the bottom where the oil from your fish or chicken or whatever you're grilling is to be collected. Look at the residue. This is possible because the air fryer is perforated. Make sure that fan stops before you open the lid, or you might end up with peanut peel confetti all over your countertop. I mean, make sure the fan stops rolling before you open. Otherwise, you may mess up the countertop with some of the peels that may fly out of the air fryer bucket. Who needs that, right? Now, here's the real beauty of this method. You can skip the extra step of air blowing to remove peels separately. Everything happens here in the air fryer. This is what I mean. Rather than bringing out your groundnuts and air blowing separately to get the peels or skin off, you can do all of that in the air fryer. How convenient is that? Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comments. As for browning, it's all about your personal taste. You can go a bit further for a rich, dark brown color. And if you're wondering about salt, I opted for a salt-free version, and it's so nice and delicious. I just feel some of our food or snacks can pass as salt-free. But of course, you can add a pinch of salt if that's your jam. Just dissolve a bit in water. Soak your peanuts briefly, drain, dry, and let the air fryer do its work. You can also boil it for a minute in the salt water. Drain and dry before roasting in the air fryer. Subscribe to join us for more kitchen experiments, hacks, and cooking tips, and click that notification bell so you never miss a mouth-watering video. This is our 10th video in the air fryer series, and we've covered recipes like yummy crunchy oat bread, succulent roasted plantains, fluffy and flavorful omelets, creamy coconut infused pasta, delicious plantain and egg frittata, wholesome and nutritious oatmeal bread rolls, juicy and flavor explosion grilled chicken, rich and tantalizing moi moi delight, that's beans pudding. And the 9th recipe, crispy golden yam balls. If you crave for more air fryer recipes, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you found this kitchen hack as exciting as I did, show your like by giving this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment and share it with your food-loving friends. Keep those air fryers sizzling. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.